Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to open a Barclays bank account online in the UK. Now the first thing I want you to do is just go to their website, and then here you can either choose personal or business accounts. You can scroll down and explore the different options. So let's say for example savings accounts or current account, right? You'll see the different accounts they offer you. So they have Barclays bank account. This one has no monthly cost. They even have a premium current account. So choose the one you would like, and you can also see the requirements. You need to be 18 years over, be a UK resident. So we'll go for this one, Barclays bank account. And then I want you to just scroll down, okay? Just make sure of everything. And then finally, this is the eligibility. And when you're happy with everything, just come here and you can click on general information, see everything about the overdraft limits. And when you're ready to apply, you just come here, click on apply. So either apply here, we can apply online as well if you want to do a joint account. So you choose whichever one is applicable to you, and then you start applying for your current account. So you need to answer some questions now. So whether or not you're currently a resident in the UK, if you're not, choose no. Are you 18 or over? Well, we have to pick yes, that's a requirement. And residents of UK is also a requirement, so pick yes for those. Okay. And then whether or not you're a full-time student. If you're not, just pick no. If yes, sure. Then, if you pick yes, then you can apply for a student account. That's what we'll ask you to do. Just tap on no. And whether or not you're an existing Barclays customer. So say yes or no depending on what is accurate. And then you can scroll down here. This is the account opening process. As you can see, you'll need to provide address for the past 3 years where you had been living, and your current address will need to be in the UK for this account. So click here on continue, and then these are the terms and conditions. You just go ahead and tick this box and proceed. Now we need to provide them details about you, your title, your first name. If you have a middle name, just say no, or yes if you do. Then you need to give your last name, date of birth, right? Your gender, marital status, whether you're married, what's your living situation, do you support anyone financially. So choose those right here, and then provide your mother's maiden name, and if you have that, and then click on continue. And then you need to choose, your nationality, your origin, your citizenship. So you can pick UK, country of birth UK, unless it's something else. And city of birth, you need to pick that as well, whether or not you're a US citizen. If no, just choose no, and then click on continue. And then you need to give your address history. So just enter your postcode first, and click on find address. And then you can come here, click on this drop down, and choose this specific address. You can pick your residential status, whether it's owned, it's mortgaged. And when you move to this address, remember it needs to be the last 3 years at least. Then click on save address, and then click on continue right here. And then you need to give your contact details, your email address, and make sure you confirm it, because you'll be using these things to log in later on. Then you can enter at least one phone number as well, a mobile number, a home number, whether it's a UK number or non-UK, you need to pick those as well, and then click on continue. And then you need to give your marketing preferences, whether you want them to contact you and how you want them not to contact you. You can pick those as well. And here you'll see how often you would like to receive your monthly statements. So you can pick that and then click on continue, right? And then you need to provide your employment details. So what is your employment status? Make sure you pick that. So if you're employed full time, you need to pick your current employment start date, your employer's name, your occupation, and then click on continue. And then you need to provide your employer's address. So pick the country and click on continue. So if it's United Kingdom, you need to give all of these details, so the address, including the postcode. You click on continue. Now the only things that are necessary are the ones with asterisks. You don't need to really give the county and postcode. Then once you fill this in, click on continue. And then you need to provide your tax residency. So are you only tax resident in the UK and no other country? You pick whatever is applicable. You need to give your income, okay, your monthly salary after tax, your annual salary before tax, and your total annual bonus over time before tax as well. And then you'll be able to see here calculated your total annual income before tax. And if everything is okay, click on continue. Okay, so you'll see right here, click on continue, and then you can just review your application. Just make sure everything was correct, and if you're happy with it, go ahead and agree to this statement. toggle this on, tick this, and tick this box as well to agree to these checks being made, and then click on continue to identity checks. And then now they need to see some proof of identity. If they're not able to verify identity, what they'll do, they'll save your application so you can continue it in a branch with the community bankers. So usually you won't encounter this issue if they verify you, if they're able to do that. If not, just take this application number and you just call this number and book an appointment. And you need to provide your proof of identity and proof of address, and you would have opened your Barclays bank account in the UK. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.